Have you declared your dream life? Did you define it clearly? The universe cannot give you what it does not have clear direction on. How do you do this? Stick around. I'm laying it all out for you, starting with 4 must-dos and 3 strategies you can pick from to declare your dream life and begin manifesting it. When energy matches the energy of what you want, then it shows up in your life. Defined correctly, it's real, tangible, and the universe sees it. Do you want to attract abundance? Do you want to stop feeling broke all the time? To do so, you need to start vibrating on the level of abundance. You must become unavailable to any other outcome than you clearly defined as your desired life. I'm Penny. I've been a student of universal law and manifesting with the law of attraction since 2008. Anyone can do this. It's not difficult. It doesn't require a lot of hard work. It does require one thing that is absolutely not negotiable, which I will share at the end. But first, let's start with 4 key things to learn and apply in your daily life. Then I'll wrap up with the 3 easy strategy choices to get you started. First, understand, unlike your never enoughness or lack of mindset, the universe is not lacking in money and wealth. It is abundant. That abundance is circling all around us continuously. Start to pay attention to the signs. They are everywhere, big and small. Second, rewire, reprogram, which begins with no longer declaring lack of type statements like, I'd love to be rich, I'd love to drive a Ferrari, I'd love to have a new big house. The universe responds when you set clear intentions it can understand, like, this is what I want. I want a new house on the Emerald Coastline of Florida with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and fabulous water views. This is what I'm going to get. Ta-da-da-da-da. Now, maybe you grew up in a household with parents often saying, we can't afford XYZ. This will require reprogramming for you. It won't be an overnight thing, but it will happen if you're diligent in your self-talk and belief. Remember, doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Consider distancing yourself from people in your inner circle temporarily with the lack of beliefs while you are reprogramming. I talk about this in several other videos. Do you remember the movie Trading Places? Most of us are a product of our environment and upbringing, but only to a certain degree of which desire can override. It's not easy to switch off that thinking, but it's not impossible, and it's very doable with the right habits and desire. There is absolutely no reason a substantial portion of the unlimited abundance the universe has should not be flowing consistently into your life. Third, this is the action part. Go after what you want and do it unapologetically, regardless if your friends and family's lifestyles are less than your goals and dreams. The universe has not spoken to them yet. Their mind has not been open to the full potential of unlimited abundance. They live in a lack of mindset. Don't exert energy trying to explain it to them. It will stall your rewiring progress. The time to share this will come once you have successfully retrained your thinking and began to reap the benefits. You've heard the statement, the rich get richer. That's because their vibrational frequency is set early, matching money and wealth. They don't know the lack of or not enoughness frequency. It's not a part of their programming. They are vibrating on an abundance frequency because it's most likely what was programmed into their life early on. We have to develop that same programming. 4, we're going to develop a rich mindset. And every time you think, I can't do that because I don't have the money, you need to ask yourself, what would the rich person do? And obviously, this doesn't mean that you're going to go out and spend all your money that you have or don't have, but you are going to elevate your mindset. Always be prepared for money. Dress nice. Be well groomed. Style your hair. Fix your face. Expect the positive things that are coming into your life because you declared them. Always expecting abundance to greet you, being prepared and welcoming relating to money. Money cycles in and out of our life continually. You have to let go of the mindset of holding on to money. That's not how the universal law works. It's perpetual, ever-flowing, and unending. Let's think about this. Dating. For just a moment. Except in this example, we're dating money. You always want to look your best, expecting it to show up at any given moment. Your standards begin to evolve, and your subconscious mind will sit up and take notice, and you will be vibrating on a money frequency before you know it. So throw away that ragged t-shirt, have a look good mindset, and a rich life mindset. Unclutter and unjunk your home. Make it a showcase that money wants to visit continually. Stop buying unnecessary junk and clutter. That's no way to treat money. It deserves respect and to be paired with high value thinking, important assets, and affluent people. Invest in things you know and understand. Beginning small and educating yourself. There's tons of free videos on here for everything you could want to learn. Spend time growing your wealth knowledge and money mindset. Stay prepared with a savings for upcoming expenses like repairs, holiday, and travel. This will prevent you going into debt. Things break. These are planned expenses. Stop using them as excuses for a lack of never get ahead mindset when it's really a poor planning mindset. Want to be rich? Create a grow your wealth mindset. Decide what you want, then become mentally unavailable to any other outcome. If you aren't really clear on exactly what you want and a plan to get it, then the universe isn't clear and cannot fulfill it. Now you may ask for more money and a $5 bill shows up on the street at your feet. That's great. We both know it's not exactly what you had in mind, but the universe gave you exactly what you asked for, more money. You have to get the kind of clarity that activates the universal laws. For more on this, the universal laws, see this video. The universe loves a clearly defined direction. Here are 3 ways to get this. Pick the one that works for you and start today. But first, take a second and hit the like on this video. It helps me understand what type of content you want to see more of so I can make more content that works for you. The first way is goal mapping. This is a process of defining your goals and outlining what you need to do to achieve them. It's similar to creating a real map, but instead of locations, it has your personal dreams and objectives laid out. You can include anything you'd like to manifest on it, such as personal, career, financial, love life, or health and fitness. Number 2, the second way is a vision board. This is a collection of images, words, and other items that represent your goals and dreams. It's a visual representation of them that you can put somewhere you can see every day. The idea is keeping this in front of you as a reminder of the goals you're working towards, so you will continue to prioritize necessary actions to achieve them. The third method is a mind map. This is a diagram that visually organizes information into a hierarchy. Kind of looks like a spider web. It's a brainstorming technique to help you think, collect knowledge, remember, and create ideas. Mind maps can be created around a single concept with associated ideas. Want to see a more detailed video on any of these 3? Type yes in the comments below. And which one interests you most? Key takeaway and that absolute must do that I promised. You cannot come home and watch Netflix or game every day for hours and take no action to enable your dreams if you expect to manifest the life you desire to live. Lastly, but so important, follow through and track. This is done easily through journaling daily, checking off to-do list, reviewing and writing affirmations and gratitudes. And finally, you absolutely must do this in order to manifest anything you desire. Be consistent daily, focusing on progress, not perfection. Wealth is made in the micro moments of our daily life. If you're committed to your success, My guided journals available on Amazon can help you be consistent. I'll drop the links in the description below for your convenience. If you're consistent, the universe will respond accordingly. I promise. Create the habits to grow the life you desire. If I can do this, you can too. Just start. You got this.